Welcome to Science Biology. Today in this video I will discuss on MCQ of photosynthetic bacteria, blue-green algae, spore-forming bacteria and mycoplasma. Question 1. Photosynthetic bacteria contain option B fatty acid. Question 2. Which photoreceptor present in photosynthetic bacteria? Answer: bacteriophytochromes. Which first found in cyanobacteria and it is a chromoprotein. Question 3. Photosynthetic bacteria have capacity to produce hydrogen. Question 4. Which bacteria play a key role in photofermentation process? Option A. Photosynthetic bacteria. Question 5. Photosynthetic bacteria are anoxygenic. Question 6. Most commonly used photosynthetic bacteria are purple non-sulfur bacteria, which have photosynthetic pigment for production of photohydrogen. Which bacteria convert light energy to chemical energy in the form of ATP? Option A. Photosynthetic bacteria. Question 8. Water gas shift reaction is used for production of hydrogen. Question 9. Dash has major role contribution in the water gas shift reaction. Answer: carbon monoxide dehydrogenase. Question 10. Dark fermentation process is used for production of hydrogen. Question 11. Which organisms are useful for dark fermentation process? Option B. Green algae. Question 12. Which of the following ion inhibit photofermentation process? Option B. Aluminium. 13. Which enzymes are responsible for catalyzing H2 production in photosynthetic bacteria? Option A. Nitrogenase enzyme. Question 14. Photosynthetic bacteria use dash for production of hydrogen. Option D. All of above. They contain sugar and organic acid, glucose and acetate. Question 15. What is blue-green algae? Subbacteria. Option B. Question 17. Which of the following characteristics are blue-green algae? Option D. All of above. They produce toxin dangerous to human and animal and fish and produce unpleasant taste in water. Question 18. Which photosynthetic pigment are present in blue-green algae? Option C. Both chlorophyll and phycocyanin. Question 19. Which of the following syndrome in blue-green algae poisoning? Option C. Both A. Neurotoxic and hepatotoxic. Question 20. Which of the following organisms are responsible for neurological disorder in human? Option B. Blue-green algae. 21. Blue-green algae grow in saltwater and freshwater lake. 22. Dash cause depletion of oxygen and kill fish. Option A. Decomposing algae. 23. Chemoautotrophs dash use as a source of carbon and energy. Option B. Inorganic compound. 24. Chemoautotrophic bacteria live in option A. Deep sea vent. 25. Which of the following sentences are correct about chemoautotrophs? Option D. All of above. They are able to fix carbon found in bottom of ocean and to fix nitrogen. 26. Which of the following is not a type of chemoautotrophs? Option C. Green algae. 27. What is the source of energy in spore forming bacteria? Option A. Mineral organic molecules. Spore forming bacteria mostly found in both food spoilage and pasteurization. Question 29. Which of the following bacteria grow at refrigeration temperature? Option B. Psychrotropic bacteria. 30. Which of the following bacteria is spore forming? Option C. Both Bacillus and Clostridium. 31. In food production environment, which type of bacteria found? Option B. Aerobic. 32. Clostridium botulinum produce neurotoxin is inactivated by heating at 16 degree for 5 minutes. Neurotoxin which cause disease botulism. 33. Which of the following is the type of infection caused by Clostridium perfringens? Option A, food poisoning. 34. Mycoplasma is a option B, bacteria. 35. Mycoplasma are the parasite of option A, plant and animals. Dash are the most common vector of mycoplasma. Leafhoppers. Leafhopper they transmit large number of viruses. 37. Mycoplasma are sensitive to which antibiotic? Answer, tetracycline and chloramphenicol. 38. Which of the following common diseases are associated with mycoplasma? Option A, upper respiratory tract. 39. Which of the characteristics of mycoplasma? Option D, all of above. They are prokaryotic class molecules and lack of cell wall. Question 40. Shape of mycoplasma is singlet ring. 41. The optimum pH for mycoplasma culture is option A, 7.8 to 8.0. Question 42. Acute respiratory infection was caused by mycoplasma pneumonia. 43. Mycoplasma are capable for produce hydrogen peroxide. 44. Which of the following immune cell activate by stimulating mycoplasma? Option A, monocyte and macrophage. 45. Mycoplasma are reproduced by option B, budding.